Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the queue on Spotify. So if you want to learn how you can do this, watch this video till the end and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on videos similar to this. It is a quick and easy process to clear your queue on Spotify. So what you need to do is firstly open up and log into your account on Spotify. Then go ahead and open up a playlist and then open up a song. Then from here you can see on the second option called queue, click on it. Now you can see a bunch of queue that is going to play after the song is complete. Now if you want to remove any of these songs from the queue, you can simply right click on it and then you can see an option called remove from queue. After you click on remove from queue, that song will be removed and will no longer be played on this playlist. So that's how easily you can remove queue on Spotify. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.